Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tech2 Audio. Today I'm going to be unboxing and have initial impressions of these wireless headbuds. These are a replacement for the Tron Smart Onyx 3 that I did a video on recently. There'll be a card at the top here linking to that video. So yeah, they didn't work out for me, so I have these replacement. These are Soundcore Life P2s that are made by Anchor, which I've had products from them before and I'm really pleased with them. It's a quick look at the packaging. As you can see, it says crystal clear calls via 4 microphones with noise reduction. Claims to have 7 hours playtime with 40 hours with the charging case. Charge for 10 minutes, you get for 1 hour of listening time, which is pretty good. Superior sound via graphene drivers. I'll do a little test of the sound once I've got them open. IPX7 waterproofing, which is quite handy in one-stop pairing. So some more details here about the size of tips that are included, and charging case, USB-C charging again, which is really nice seeing it's USB-C now on these products. Okay, so let's get into the box. It's nice they've actually put a little label on saying open this end, so give you a bit of a clue where to start. Anchor have got very good customer service as well. I believe I've never had to use the customer service with the products that I've had of theirs before. They've always been very well made. There we go, it's nicely presented, quite straightforward. The earpiece case, instruction manual here. That's very thick. What have we got in there? Bit of paperwork. Little support card. Little feedback card. And Soundcore, the actual instruction manual, which will probably be in several different languages. So I won't spend much time on those. Let's have a look. So we see different sized tips, which is nice. You get a full range. I think it said on the box you get extra small, small, medium, large and extra large. So there should be something for everyone in there. The USB-C cable and the earbuds themselves. And that's nothing else in that box now. Let's just move this to one side. It's just got a little piece on here about pairing them up to your handset. And it feels very nice. Yeah, just a little like quick pairing guide, get started, which is nice to have because no one's really going to spend time going through the whole of this massive manual. And here's the case. There's the charging USB-C charging port. If we open the case, there's the first glimpse of the headsets themselves. This is a little bit loose here. There's quite a nice little magnetic closing and opening. It flicks open. A little bit of looseness, nothing major. And here's the earbud itself. So I try and get that into focus. It feels nicely constructed. It's got the ear tip, should sit in the ear very nicely. I believe the microphones recalls there's 2 on the stem, one at the top, one at the bottom, but I'll confirm that with you. If I put that back in the case for now, yeah, a nice magnetic seal on the case for the earbuds when they drop back into position. Charge these up, connect them to my phone, and then I'll come back to you and give you a review of what the sound was like. Hi guys, welcome back. I've now listened to the headphones, earpieces. I'm really pleased with those. They're really good. They did come with a charge. The actual earbuds, this is a physical button here, like the Transmart ones, which for me, it's better than the touch sense type. It's nice to have a physical button that you can feel clicking as you touch it. You can't make any mistake that you've pushed the button and it's registered that touch, and it's much more unlikely that you're going to get a false touch when you're adjusting the earpieces in your ears. The sound quality is really good. They paired really simply. They did pair much more simply than the Transmart Onyx 3, I must say. The process was very straightforward. I think for the button control on the side, it's going to be better if I just show you the instruction manual, and you can pause the video if you're interested. It's all quite straightforward. Two quick clicks on the right ear to skip forward, 2 quick clicks on the left one to skip back one, or the left or right, 1 click to play pause. And as you can see, there's the assistant, which works absolutely flawlessly, and then the telephone call controls there. The sound quality for music is nice and clear. It's don't think anyone would have any complaints. It has a bit of sibilance on the high end, the very high end, a little bit of sibilance, but nothing that would bother anyone, I don't think. I found it, more than pleasant to listen to. Good bass response. The LEDs on the earpieces themselves, solid white light, will mean that it's charged up. There's the instructions here, as you can see, and the red light basically means you allow a battery. It's all quite straightforward. The same with the LED on the front here. When you plug it into charge, it's white. When it's fully charged, it's white. When it's running low charge, it's red. I would say my initial impressions of these earpieces are they're very nice. I think my wife's going to be pleased with them. If you haven't watched my previous video about what these are for, they're for my wife to listen mostly to podcasts, audio broadcasts. So the sound quality, I've tested it for that, and it's superb. Yeah, I like them. If they do get any problems with them, I will make a follow-up video, as I did with the Transmart headphones, which unfortunately had to go back. But with these, I would say I'm very pleased. I don't think Anchor have let me down. This isn't promoted by them. I've purchased these myself. It's a purchase that I've made for a product that we need in my household. I have used Anchor products before, and they've always been very well made. So I'm very hopeful about this product. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends. Really help if I can get some good feedback and subscriptions. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch, and I'll be back again soon with another video. I do have another product that I'm going to be unboxing soon, and I look forward to seeing you then. Bye.